Okay, so apparently I'm not the only one that's struggling and being bested by a garden hose. So you've got the coupler that comes with the Z6 right here. And what I will show is what I actually had to get walked through on support for. So check this out. So I'm gonna put this on. You'll see, I'm going to make it flush, right? There's first click, and then as they described it, there's a second click. Grab this part and push ridiculously hard. So kind of hear that second sound. Now it's really firm. It's not going anywhere. Sounds like something's breaking, but it's not. And then you should be able to turn on the water. So let me go turn on the water and let's find out. All right. All right, water is going. Let's drop this all the way down. Okay, it's on the lowest setting. Turn up the speed all the way and let her rip. So I'm gonna keep running it. I actually have to sit in the seat. The PTO will not run without me sitting in it. So I will turn off the video and keep cleaning it since debris is still blowing out.